Ah, the eternal struggle. People have been trying to cure hiccups forever, and the internet is full of questionable solutions. Holding your breath, because suffocating yourself for a few seconds might reset your diaphragm. Drinking water upside down. As if hiccups weren't humiliating enough, now you're just asking to drown. Scaring yourself. Good luck convincing someone to sneak attack you on command. Sugar, vinegar, peanut butter. Because when in doubt, shove random foods in your mouth and hope for the best. The truth? Most of these work sometimes, but there's no guaranteed fix. Hiccups just leave when they feel like it, kind of like a bad house guest.